Alright, y'all. Such a beautiful day. Happy 420. Got my what I now call my almost Texas style baby back ribs. Not quite my baby back ribs because this is in Texas because it ain't got my spices. Damn. Wow. So this is my almost Texas style baby back ribs. That's what I'm calling this title right here. I ain't gonna unwrap it, but there you go. Almost Texas style baby back ribs. Already on the pit right there. Boom. Let's get it. Alright, y'all. Quick update on my almost southern style ribs. I just put the marinating of the barbecue sauce. Gonna let it one more about 1 more hour. Here's the yep. 1 more hour. Here we go. Almost Texas style ribs. Now, I gave a little ring-a-ding to the fam and the mom and pops. They actually are going to be sending me some spices from down there, up here. All I have to do is give them the address and I said give him about a week. And my dad said give him about a week and he'll give me some good stuff and put it into the box and mail it up here, you know. So then we'll have some real southern style ribs up north. Yeah, boy. This is Texas Talk Killer 101. I'll get back to you in this 1 hour and get about by 8 o'clock. We'll check on it again. Let that meat marinate on this low heat, medium style heat, and we'll see where it goes from there. See if the bones come right off the ribs. I'll get back to y'all now. Oh my God, y'all. Look at that. I'm gonna flip these over. Oh yeah. Look at that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a knife to these. Let's do it. Alright, y'all. We got our almost Texas style ribs. I'm gonna get the knife to these. These will look beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We're about to get the knife to these and we're gonna see how. Let's listen to that. Let's get it. This is coming out gorgeous. I'm gonna need a better knife. Yo, this is coming right off the bone, like literally. You know what? Since I cooked it, I get the first piece. Yo, you don't know how fire this is. This is actually amazing. It actually came out a lot better than I thought. Um, mm, mm. I'll be right back. I need to go get me some more of those ribs. Straight up. That came out perfect. Right off the bone. Not bad, ain't it? You think Laura will like it? Alright, so the ribs are done. What time does she get off? Okay, well, once she gets back, we can eat, okay? The ribs are already cut. Okay? Oh my God. These came out so good. It fell right off the bone like. Oh my God, this came out so good. I was actually nervous. All right, y'all. Check it out. You got the green beans and corn. And the rice, Spanish rice. Da, 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 da. There it is. Yeah, so that includes tonight's menu. Happy 420, y'all. And don't forget, stay lit. This is Texas Hog Killer 101. This is tonight's menu. Baby Texas, almost Texas style baby back ribs with some Spanish rice, green beans, and corn. This is Texas Hog Killer 101. This is, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Texas Hog Killer